How to fix Excel not highlighting cells in formula. Here are some troubleshooting tips for when Excel is not highlighting cells in a formula. Check if the Show Formulas option is enabled. Go to Formulas, Formula Auditing, Show Formulas. This will display formulas instead of values in cells. Make sure Trace Dependence is selected. Go to Formulas, Formula Auditing, Trace Dependence. This will add arrows to show which cells are referenced in the formula. Try selecting the entire formula in the formula bar and pressing F2. This should highlight all cells referenced. Ensure that the cells referenced have values and are not blank. Formulas won't highlight if there's no value to trace. Verify that the references are correct and not referencing sheets, cells, or ranges that don't exist. Fix any #ref errors. Make sure the cells are not formatted as text values. This can cause issues with highlighting. Convert them to numbers if needed. Check if the worksheet is protected. Cell highlighting won't work on locked or protected cells and sheets. Resize the column width in case the cell contents are not visible. Narrow columns can hide parts of formulas. Try manually calculating the sheet using calculation options. Set to automatic if currently manual. As a last resort, restart Excel to reset and reload all add-ins and settings. If the issue persists after trying these steps, there may be a deeper technical issue requiring IT troubleshooting.